college. Less student. Now it's less student only during exam time. So many students are released college again. So meetings there. That's so big college. That is dental college. There's a big campus in this college. Big campus. This building exam. Dental college. Yamaha showroom. This is so big this side. Good afternoon, ma'am. That side. I make mistake. Library is a big library. Poster, something so big. It's quite big college. See, so big. So this is a very good college. If you want to come in RBU, this college is in Punjab. It's in Mohali. It's a big college. It's very good campus. Teachers are also good. So anyone can come and join. There are so many departments also. Please study math student. There is a math student. Management. This is so not big. School of Health. School of Management. Engineering is that side the front part. This is a big place. It's a big place. Anyone can come and join. There is a big place. You can play around there. This is a Dominican place for rest. So okay, now I have class. I have to go inside. Bye bye. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.